What is the de Broglie wavelength for a nitrogen molecule in air at 300 Kelvin? Assume that the molecule is moving with the root mean square speed of the molecule at this temperature. Atomic mass of nitrogen 14.0076 atomic mass unit. So temperature is 300 Kelvin. Nitrogen has two molecules. So 2 into 14 makes 28 AMU. To convert AMU to kilogram, multiply 28 with 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 kilogram. Root mean square velocity VRMS equal to root of 3 kBT by m, where kB is Boltzmann's constant, T temperature and m mass of the molecule. De Broglie wavelength lambda equal to h by mv, where v is velocity. Instead of v, we can substitute VRMS. Now lambda equal to h by m into root of 3 kBT by m. On taking m inside the square root, we get lambda equal to h by root of 3m kBT. Now substituting the values, which is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 34. In the denominator we have 3, mass m 28 into 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23, kb 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 and t 300. On calculating, we get lambda equal to 0.028 nanometer.